this wasn't a decision that was taken lightly to me at different points in time. But they would get masked by a few wins here and there. And, you know, in the world of professional sports, when winning and losing is your currency, you know, winning can mask a lot of things. We went on an eight game win streak right before the All-Star break. You know, but since then, I think we're 11-13. We've lost our last 4, and we're trending towards a direction that I thought would probably be a very, you know, near end to our season, potentially squeeze as much juice out of the rest of the season as possible. And I think that, you know, after talking with my father and that's where we arrived at with the decisions today.